Now then, it's Carl from Studio In Car. In a slightly odd setting today, we're outside because we've got a car park full of Grenadiers. I'm going to show you this one today. This has had a platinum level with 2-channel front end. Ordered an AF M1D monoblock amplifier underneath the passenger seat, AF 12.14 underneath the driver's seat, which is bridged on each driver, including the rears. Twin sub box in the back because the client who owns this one, he's not a bass head, but simply for the fact that he couldn't deal with one just being off to the left. He wanted it to be uniform, and I kind of understand that. Let's take a quick look around this one. We'll cover the other two in a couple of future videos. The one in the middle is great, it's a thesis car. The one on the end hasn't been started yet. It belongs to one of the designers of the Ineos Grenadier, so that's quite exciting. Oh yeah, let's take a look at this one. So, as you probably didn't just hear, the doors, they're sound deadened, the cards are sound deadened, everything's really sort of dense sounding in here now. We've got the Morel Carbon Elate Pro front end, Morel Carbon Elate front tweeter there on custom pillars with the matched trim. As you can see, these are a two-way set, so the pillars can be quite subtle and the handle can be retained. Then we've got the DRC down in the center there. This controls overall volume in the car, so you can get smaller steps for the head unit, not just the 12 giant leaps that this head unit takes. Set the head unit say 10, use the DRC to control volume in a much more linear fashion, and then one press and you can get onto subwoofer control. We're using the AFM1D under here on one of our printed mounts, as you can see there, just spaced off from the floor. Same happens on the passenger side. And then we've got our twin box in here. Now this might look slightly unfinished at the moment, but it's because the rail system didn't turn up with the client on time. So what we've done is we've oversized this base plate. We've put some sort of pre-drilled fixings in there and then we've trimmed straight over them, so when they do turn up he can fix that down. Yeah, you're not going to be moving that anytime soon, so yeah, pretty cool. Twin Audison AP8, so that's the sealed boxes, not the AP8R I think, which is a reflex box. And then round the front here, same again, but we've got our amplifier underneath there, and you can see in this side the amplifier is much further in underneath the seat, and that's because the floor pan is different from the driver's side to the passenger side. You've got more space under the driver's seat than you do under the passenger seat, so we just sort of use the space that we've got. You know, we don't want to ram that monoblock right underneath the seat and move it further along, so both the printed designs, or both the CAD designs for the mounts for the amps, are completely different left to right. Black view rear cam there, the DR970 LTE camera set there. That's the rear one, and then the front one, you can probably see that just up next to the rear view mirror there. As with all of our Grenadiers, they all get our sort of printed design specific to the car. There's no exception. Its printed fuse holder is in there, so any system snags or any sort of any overloading of the system, if the fuses blow, you can very simply replace those fuses. Bear with me, we're shooting on the fly today, so something I usually do, but because there's so many of them here, I wanted to do it outside because we we can't fit all of them indoors. So yeah, not to be worked on at least. So yeah, relatively short one for today. We're really busy with Grenadier work at the moment, which is great. You know, they're a fantastic car, and they upgrade so well. You know, it's a pleasure to be working on all of them, and everyone we've met as well that has one, they're all good guys. All right. So anyway, I'm Carl's for Studio In Car. This is one of our Grenadier projects. It sits up there. It's really simple, this one, in its two-way design, passive subwoofer boxes, and it sounds rad, it sounds effortless. You've got loads of volume, loads of output, it's clear as a bell, plenty of bass. It's yeah, it works really well. And then we've got the added security from the black views on this one. This one already has a tracker fitted, as do, you know, the majority of them, but so we haven't fitted one of our trackers to this, but yeah, lovely bit of kit. You take it easy, all right?